Greetings, everyone. It's hard to believe, but semester one has come to an end. Teaching faculty at the theological school have transitioned into a time of marking and a time of research during this month-and-a-half break between semesters. Preparations are, of course, underway for semester two, which begins the last week in July. As you know, we will begin all of our teaching in an online format, with the real hope that we will be able to transition back to face-to-face teaching during the semester when it's safe and prudent to do so. Looking back on semester one, it's hard to believe what we have all experienced since late February. I am so encouraged by the adaptability of our teaching faculty and the flexibility of our students to transition to an exclusively online learning format. I am so encouraged by those of you who have participated with us in our online services of morning prayer and in our virtual academic seminars. So while I remain concerned for our communities as we transition through this pandemic season, I'm also encouraged by what we've experienced together over the past 3 months and by what lies ahead for the theological school in the second half of this year. Yesterday, Thursday, the 11th of June, was the feast of St. Barnabas the Apostle. The New Testament book of Acts tells us that Barnabas's name means the son of encouragement, a name he got because he sold a plot of land and generously donated the proceeds to the gospel work of the first apostles. The feast of St. Barnabas reminds all of us of our calling to be sons and daughters of encouragement, to engage in acts of kindness and generosity, especially by bringing the Christian gospel in all its fullness out into our very needy world. So my prayer for each of you this week is that you would be known as Barnabases, people who in their callings have embraced a ministry of encouragement, especially at this time when there is so much that might be discouraging in our world today. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next week. God bless you.